Power target trades, power trigger trade. Power trigger trade, Sandro here, the big picture expert. I got a plan here for GS. I made a lot of great plans for this for GS, but you know what? GS is a great setup as well. And so let's talk about this plan. I'm going to show you some more facts. Again, before I talk about the plan, one thing about me is I focus on high probability setups, unlike anybody else out there. I don't post 20 million picks or 20, 30 picks like a lot of services out there. I focus on high quality, high probability, and high win rates within a small selection of picks. So, for example, if there's 7 picks and 4 confirm, at least 3 will be winners, and some of them big winners. That's my style. So now let's get to the plan. Every plan I post has intentions of making great gains with targets, and I'll explain this in more detail. But this is why you want to join my group, Power Group Trades. Anyways, here, GS set up a test. 287 to 295, strong moves in the possible cards here. Okay, if all goes well. The March 16 270 calls could be used. That's right, people. These suckers right here, 1.3K was traded over here. These are the ones we want to use. All right, now. So GS needs to, I will explain in video facts. Well, people, I am going to be posting this plan inside of Power Group Trades. And I want to show you why you should become a member in Power Group Trades. Let me show you what I mean. Alright, people, it all starts here. Power trigger trade confirmation is key. I post plans here, but I really posted in Power Group Trades majority of my plans. I posted a MA plan, and I've also defended the SPY multiple times in the year, and I show an example why guessing and hemming and hawing and assuming, even by people who have some knowledge, but they assume too much and not realize you must adjust to the market. Anyways, people, to become a serious follower, to become a group member in this wonderful group, Power Group Trades, it's pretty simple. Follow the instructions inside this video, and you can fast track yourself inside of Power Group Trades because you enjoy what I'm about. Like I'm explaining you everything I do. I talk about the options we use, I talk about the targets, and then I post confirmation inside a Power Group Trades when I see the right action based on my instructions. Alright, people, welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great detailed plans. You know, a great list of information for you to study. Study this created playlist, a wealth of great information. And also check out my, website here. It's just a website, but I post some key videos in here and some key information right on here. Let's go take a look at what it looks like now. Again, at the moment, I designed this differently than most type, but this is a just bright, powerful feeling of glory, of success, and it's a look of different. It's a lot different than most things. This is really, I like the colors of this. Of course, I've got some more work and other ideas I'm doing. There's not really a fully functioned website here, but check out this video of the Apple. These kind of videos showcase the work, show you the structuring, planning, unlike anything else out there. Also, you should check out my last Goldman Sachs plan. Funny thing is, you should check out this last Goldman Sachs plan I made. Power trigger trade, people. Power trigger trade. Alright, so here we are back at Power Target Trades website. Subscribe to my YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you already have an account, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe. If you don't have one, make sure you open one up, subscribe, study this created playlist. You're going to see a message of me. Again, here's my website and Twitter over here. So people, there you have it. Let's see what I say. Alright, people. Now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my created playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on Power Target Trades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions. And I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Now let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like